Welcome friends. In this tutorial we learn about the input and output file. Ali is a built-in type in Python. Allow access to less in an operating system independent manner. Direct modes to access a Ali are R is used for opens an already existing Ali in read-only mode. W opens a alley in write-only mode. If alley exists, it is truncated as a new alley is created. A opens a alley in write-only mode. If alley exists, new data is added at the end, else a new alley is created. R plus alley is open in read and write mode, but alley must exist. W plus alley is open in read and write mode. Alley is truncated if exist, else a new alley is created. A plus alley is open in read and write mode. If alley exists, a new data is added at the end, else a new alley is created. Append B to the mode to open alley in binary mode. Modes are passed to function open, which is used to open a alley. The syntax is alley object is equal to open and in the bracket alley name mode and bob size is equal to -1. Now we see the file object methods. Let us assume we have f is equal to open, alley and r plus. F dot read and into bracket size reads a size byte from alley and returns if size is not specified, or if size less than 0, then size reads whole alley. F dot read line reads one line from alley and returns the line. F dot read lines read all lines in alley and returns a list of lines. F dot write writes the data to alley, and F dot close the alley. This is the basic information about the file. Thank you friends.